Find your image on the desktop and drag it right into the workspace. I'm going to just click on it and scale it up a little bit. Then I want to, so when you come in, you're not going to see that box I just had. You have to click on this butterfly looking icon, click the select trace area, and then you're going to trace your image. So I can move the threshold if I want the lines a little bit thicker. I'm going to keep it right about there, and I'm going to hit the trace button when I like the yellow. So that's going to be my black outline. Now I'm going to trace it again, and I want to think about the color that's going to go under this. So when I outline this, I want to hit trace outer edge, and now I just have an outline of the whole thing. And I'm going to do one more color. So I'm going to have this be a white sticker. I'm going to have this bottom part, I want to make that cupcake into, the cupcake bottom into another color. So I'm going to hit the, you go back. Not sure what. Alright, I want to hit the trace outer edge button again. And there, I have the cupcake bottom. So I can click on that one little area and I'm going to delete that. So if I click on these nodes, that should be good. So I'm going to cut this out of a different color. Now I'm going to move these off. And I'm going to cut the first color out of black. So I'm going to put the cupcake there. I'm going to make a little box around it. That is a cut box. And I'm going to hit the send button. And I'm sending this to the printer now. So down here you'll see where, when it's hooked up, you will see this active saying available, and you'll hit the send button.